Thank you so much for cruising with SV Freya. Please like and subscribe to our videos. That would be a great help. In this episode, our friends Andy and Ludza came down from South Carolina to visit us in the Dominican Republic. Our plan was to dinghy over to East Bay, then hike a couple of hours to a nice secluded beach for a photo session. While enjoying a nice breakfast in Puerto Blanco Marina, Casey, Ashley, Nikki, and Jonathan invited us to join them on a hike to the waterfalls in Imbert. Well, that sounds like tons of wet fun. Let's go. Imbert is about an hour's drive from the marina. That is, if you don't get lost. We did find it, and our group got suited up with the required safety gear and set off on a hike up to the waterfalls. QP found a palm husk by the path and thought it would make a fine new dinghy for SV Freya. They said it was a nice easy hike. Yeah, maybe for a 20-year-old or a mountain goat. For me, it's a good thing they have safety stops along the way. Off and on, they shouted at me. Off your ass and on your feet. Up we go again. Obviously, this is one of the more busy roads in the Dominican Republic. At the next safety stop, QP was still overflowing with energy. Hey, take some pictures of me while I climb this tree. Andy and Ludza, not wanting to be shown up, managed to climb up to the top of the bench. Oh, thank you, Hart. You made it up one side of the mountain, and now you get to go down to the first waterfall.
The Dominican Republic.
Hi. Hello. Hola. Buongiorno.
Senior photographer.
I need lubrication, TW40. I'm squeaking like an old lady.
It's better than my whining like an old man.
Exactly, huh?
And Buko bringing up the rear.
1, 2, 3. One, two, three.
Yay, Nikki!
1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Are you alive?
Okay, everybody, crowd together for a group photo. Even after the uphill hike, QP still had energy to burn. Over the years, the river has cut a smooth path through the rocks. That, or thousands of butts have polished them smooth. Poor old Casey was trying hard to keep Ashley under control, but we see how that worked out. We can all count on Jonathan to have our backs when needed. And Nikki, the bionic gypsy, is a never-say-can't trooper.
Say hi to the camera. Hi to the camera. Next. How is he? Say hi to the camera. Hola, hola. Adios. Bye bye. Next. Papi. Look at the camera. Hola, hola, hola. 1, 2. Oh, that was painful. Elbows in.
Baby, put your elbows in.
Ahí. Baby! Baby! Elbows in! Yeah!
Oh my God, that's
Are you alive? Say hi to the camera. Adios. Bye bye. Yeah! Hold on, papi. Don't kill it. Wait for you moving. Say hi to the camera. Hola, hola. 1, 2, 3. Woo! 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3. ¡Ayúdale!
Cross your arms. Make sure your arms are crossed.
Go get it, go get it. Lean back, lean back. One, two, three, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Go. Yeehaw! Next. Hola, papi. Are you alive? Hola. You okay? Bye. 1, 2, 3, go. Hola. Next.
It's my first time to slide down waterfall. I'm so scared.
Go get it, papi. Bájalo abajo. You wanna walk? You wanna walk to the left or you wanna come here? Hola. Say hi to the camera. Hasta la vista. You can do it now. You are the man. You got it. 1, 2, 3.
How was your trip?
Awesome! Great! Me encantó!
Did you have a good time?
Absolutely. Beautiful.
Wonderful waterfalls.
I peed my pants.
Hola, mi nueva amiga. ¡Yeehaw! Vive la vida loca.
We all made it back to the trailhead uninjured. And now it's my favorite time of the day. Time to eat. Cheers.
Cheers.
Salud!
Salud. Okay, nice.
So 350 more. And the food was like what, $7?
Did you watch the movie Forrest Gump? Did you watch the movie Forrest Gump?
68 cents.
You look
to the-
exactly the guy, baby,
Is
right?
that what it was?
Hey, you look exactly the guy for the Forrest Gump.
Which one is that?
The tenant.
Thanks to Andy and Ludza for coming all the way to the Dominican Republic just to visit us, and to our close friends for inviting us all on their trip to the waterfalls. Most of all, thanks to you, our patrons, for making this lifestyle possible. Wishing everyone a wonderful day. See you next time.